All right, Travis and myself. I don't know why I'm doing this, but hey, we are doing this again. We are doing this again. We're going 9 times. I'm gonna have to sell this tomorrow. I hate all of you. All right. We're gonna hit draft. Alright, we're going 9 times. I think I rolled a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom! I own Travis. Spot 2 and 3 might actually be better. Box 3, what Travis didn't pick. I don't know what that is, but hey, it's going to be sick. Luck and McCaffrey. I almost said, why do these guys go together? But they both went to Stanford at a 199. Luck and McCaffrey. We got Shelton Benjamin Gibson, 5 of 5. Hey, Travis, why didn't you pick this box? I don't know who it is. It's a printing plate silo. So that's nice. 13 of 15. Hines Ward, first down. Hines Ward. 13 of 15. Shelton Gibson, 5 of 5. Dear Valued Collector. Name so nice he signs it twice. Preferred rookie penmanship red. Taiwan Taylor. And Boomskis. Game used 1 of 1 Randall Cobb. Randall Cobb. 1 of 1. Uh-oh, this one's light. This one's light. Corey Davis, 2 of 10. Ball, jersey, patch, laundry tag. Armory. 2 of 10. Paul Perkins. Paul Perkins out of 49. Nice. Out of 10. Great Expectations purple. 8 of 10. Mitchell Trubisky. Adoree Jackson. Red. And Donnell Pumphrey out of 99. That was a better box. Sorry, Travis. I have to. I'm sorry. There's actually some nice pieces, though. Yep. Got the Armory book to 10. If you like the Niners, it was good. So there was the Aaron Rodgers. There was the Darbo. There was the Kaiser. There was the Armory book, and there was that. So there was 5 of the 6 boxes had patch autos or patches. Heinz Ward. I'm taking Davis and what are these red numbered to? What are these? These are both what? Rookie prominent scripts red. I'm just making sure these aren't like super, super low numbered. They're probably not. I just want to milk this. What don't you agree with what statement? What statement did I make? Oh, they're all 199 or 99. Yeah. I agree with you on that. I'll take the low numbered, even though it's probably nothing big. Travis, give me 3. Or never mind. Give me the next 2. I grabbed the Corey Davis book, and I grabbed the Shelton Benjamin Gibson 5 of 5. So we have the Donnell Pumphrey to 99, the Paul Perkins, the Luck McCaffrey, and then we got the Adoree Jackson and Taiwan Taylor. Card. $269 is to $199, and rookie penmanship. What the freak is this? Preferred rookie penmanship. $199 is to $99. No, neither redemption is a jersey auto. I think they're these. Preferred rookie penmanship. So the Taiwan Taylor is this one. And the Adoree Jackson is... I don't even know what the prominent scripts are. Oh, the Adoree Jackson is this. Is that. Luck McCaffrey and... Which one else? Paul Perkins is the Silo. That's to 49. That's player worn. Donnell Pumphrey's to 99. And then we got Taiwan Taylor and Adoree Jackson. Doug, look what you missed. True 101, Doug. There's also a Bethard plate auto, Doug. Later, Bob. Have a good one, man. I'll take the Perkins if you want the other 3. I'll take the Perkins and give you the other 3 then. Travis. I'll give the Perkins to Bill, that's why.